those you have bestowed upon your people. As we do so, we appeal to your compassion. Stay close to those whose petitions you have granted you. Bless the Lord's couples gathered here, for you have united the bond of marriage and strengthened their bond of peace, so that they may rejoice in the gift of your blessing. Come at last to the eternal haven of salvation. Help also those who will take, fill them with your wisdom and blessings. Help them to person they achieve without for you to your greater glory. In all circumstances, bless your people, Lord. Put above all, bless in all things through Christ, so that whatever happens in your lives will work together. The living God bless you.
Isaiah kini Saul, pakyon gaya ako. Apan hihingnan siya sa Ginoo. Pagdala ang ating baka, ako ang paghalang o manap na sunod alam sa